This is a brake safe setup. All trailers over 2 tonne, up to 4.5 tonne, must have a brake safe unit, which means that all wheels, 2 wheels or 6 wheels, must be electrified using a brake safe unit. Now, there are a lot of manufacturers that put this brake safe unit outside here in the weather. While it will work the same, we prefer to put it in a little aluminium box, so it protects everything inside there. It protects the brake safe if something's going to get hit, because the brake safe is really one of the most important parts of your trailer. So we don't push it on the outside here like others, we put them on the inside like that and just clip them up, and it's nice and safe. First of all, I don't have a battery in here. You have a battery in and you plug it on to the positive to positive, negative to negative. On the positive line, there's a fuse inside. A lot of people don't realize this, and if they blow something, there's a fuse inside. There's also a fuse outside. So what people do is they tend to check the fuse outside, don't check the fuse inside. That's very, very important. Now, out of the brake safe, you got these wires. Now, what we do here at Allstate Trailer Spares, we use a junction box on all our trailers. So all these wires go into a junction box and then they go out from there, except the 2 brown wires here. These brown wires here go to the switch on the front of the trailer. Now, this switch is highly important, so you'll notice you've got a red wire here. So this is clamped to the trailer. This here goes onto the car. So if there's a breakage anywhere, this pin comes out, just comes out, and the whole system locks the brakes on. So that's why it's called the brake safe unit. Now, that's the switch wires, the brown ones. The 2 brown ones go into the black ones in this system here. Then you have the purple. You only use this when you need to take a wire into the cab. That tells you, that monitors the battery levels in this. There is a trickle charger. This trickle charges down and keeps the battery charged. These wires here, of course, that's the earth. That's the brake. That's for the electric brakes. And this here is your auxiliary power. The main wires you need for the brake safe unit are these 3. All the other wires, the green and the yellow, for the blinkers, go through this box, as well as the red wire, which goes to your lights. The brown wires from the plug all go through this into the system. So this is a very, very simple method to meet the Australian standard. This is Hilto, signing off from Allstate Trailer Spares.